Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this pack of paint pens. They're called the BERIC Fine Art Paint Pens. I bought them off on Amazon. Also going to be sharing the link in the description box below if you are interested in buying them. So guys, these paint pens come in 15 different shades, and as you can see on the box, all those surfaces they can be worked on. And I have had 2 or 3 different brands of paint pens previously, but they've all been thick tip, and this is the first time I'm going to be using a fine tip paint pen set. So you are supposed to, as you can see, it comes with this plastic wrap on, so you're supposed to twist them. That's how they easily come off. So as you can see here, I've taken off all the plastic wrap off of them, and I'll show you how to use them now. So you're supposed to press this. As you can see, the tip is off-white right now because it doesn't have any color ink in them or paint in the nib. So you're supposed to press it on a paper surface. And for better results, you are supposed to shake the pen vigorously, like so. Keep shaking it as much as you can so the paint mixes properly. And then you just keep pressing it firmly but gently on the paper surface. And you are supposed to keep doing so until the paint starts absorbing in the nib. You'll see how shortly. See, as you can see, the paint has started to drip in the nib, and the nib has started absorbing the paint. Yes, see, I can see a little trace of the paint, and now it's getting down. Yes, that's a beautiful shade of dark orange, or like a vermilion. See, yeah, so for better results, keep pressing it still, and it's going to see the shaking makes the consistency of the paint thicker. And then see, you need to have the paint thick when you're using it on surfaces like glass or metal or wood. That's when it looks really nice. So see, when we cannot actually judge the shades by the lids. So I thought I'm going to just show you how the shades actually look like. And if you think they're going to work well for you, you can order them. They're priced really good. Not very expensive. I'm forgetting exactly how much they were, but I'm going to definitely share the link below. I did not get any discount or offer on them, but they were already at a good price, so I did not mind buying them. So to make the white more opaque and thicker, you can just work on it over and over again. So these are all the shades. And now I'm going to show you the difference between the thick paint pen and the fine tip paint pen with the examples of 2 coasters that I've done. So as you can see, this is the Pintar paint marker, which is thick and it's oil based. So the square coaster has been done with that, and as you can see, the dots are pretty big as compared to the circle coaster right here, which I have done with the BERIC paint marker. And as you can see, the dots that I'm able to make with it can be much finer than that of the other marker. So that's the difference. So guys, I'm sure you enjoyed watching the video, and it comes in handy and helpful for the ones that are wanting to start using paint pens. Please don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.